Hey everyone, I want to go over something very different today, and I'm going to bring you along with me to my first trip going to Europe. I am 55 years old in 2026 for at least a few more months, and I have never been to Europe. And for those of you that have been watching my channel, you'll know that I have been involuntarily retired from my corporate America job. So in between, I have started a photography journey. I have this YouTube channel, and then I also am doing some consulting work, forming a consulting company as well. And then also I developed an app for call center nerds, basically. So if you're a call center nerd, let me know and I have something for you that will really help. But I have worked for 30 plus years and I've never really taken a true vacation. So because I have all this free time on my hands, I decided to go ahead and take you guys along with me to my first trip to Europe. And because I have this channel and because I'm starting a photography business as well, it'll be very photocentric. But let me tell you where I'm going. First, I'm leaving from the Bay Area in San Francisco. I'll be there for a while. Then I go to Barcelona. I'll spend a few days in Barcelona. I then go on a 10-day cruise through Spain, Morocco, I think Saint-Tropez, Monaco, and then I think Florence, and then Rome. I'll be in Rome for a few days. And then from there, I go up to Lake Como for a few days. And then from there, I go to Bern, Switzerland. And this is where you guys come into play. So I started this channel as a Stromer bike channel. So if you're not familiar, Stromer makes a e-bike. They're based out of Switzerland. And I think it's the best e-bike on the planet. Unfortunately, they don't sell them here in the United States anymore, but I'm a huge fanboy for Stromer. And so that's how my channel started, is I had this very unique bike in the United States, and there wasn't a lot of content about that bike. And I was new to making YouTube videos, so for some of you watching those, they're a bit cringy, but you guys seem to like that. And I gained a lot of subscribers internationally from people watching my biking videos. Don't worry, I'll make more biking videos. The bike right now is grounded due to, for those of you who know, but it's grounded due to a suspension issue. But once that gets fixed, I'll be back on the road making more biking content as well. But the reason why I'm going to Bern, Switzerland is Stromer headquarters is near Bern, and I'm trying to talk to the people over at Stromer to see if I can get a tour. If not, I'm still going to go to the bike shop. I still want to check it out. I still want to be a fanboy. So either way, I'm going to Bern and I'm going to try to just enjoy that town. It looks like a really cool place. And if I can get into Stromer, either way, just as a customer, or if I can talk to somebody there, that'll be awesome. But if not, it's still going to be awesome. So I'm really looking forward to that trip. And then from Bern, I'm going to Wetzlar, Germany. And so for those of you that are on my page because you like the Leica content or the camera content, I am absolutely spending the night at the Wetzlar Leica Hotel. And I spent, I think, 3 days or 3 nights there. I organized a brief tour, and I'll be spending some time at basically Leica Disneyland for a few days, and then also downtown Wetzlar as well. I can't wait. Like that to me is just seems like a very charming town. The Leica experience there is going to be just awesome. I'm so excited about that particular portion of the trip, but I'll be bringing you along with me as well on that. And then from there, I go to Frankfurt, and then from Frankfurt, I go back to the United States. So that is the trip in and of itself. I will be filming during the trip. So you'll see me either filming from the boat, doing this kind of stuff. I'm not a big vlogger, but I'll try my best. I'm new to that. I'm uncomfortable with it, but let me go through that learning curve with you. But I promise I'll do my best, at least sharing some photography with you or sharing some experiences with you. You can also follow me on my Instagram, which is Lynch7. You can find my face on there, and then you can follow my journey as well because I'll be posting there quite a bit. Please join me on that trip. I think it'll be fun, but that's what the content shift will be for at least the next foreseeable month because I'll be gone for about a month. If you happen to see me, I'll be the nerd traveling around with either an Insta360 X5 or Pocket 3, and then taking pictures with my camera. You can, if you see me, stop me and say hello. And if you want to have a coffee, let me know as well. But yeah, the trip is pretty structured. Given my first time, I planned a lot of things. And so I'm really excited to share those experiences with you. So that's all I wanted to talk about today on that topic. I'm in the midst of packing. My house looks like a bomb went off in here, but it'll be a great trip. Stay tuned for those adventures. I'll be traveling solo to places I've never been, to languages I don't speak, and in train systems and everything like that I have no idea how they work. So this will be either a calamity of adventures, or it'll be absolutely epic, or a mixture of both. So let's see if we can go on that journey together. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.